Nowadays, wherever I go on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, I see such videos. How beautiful are these videos? I watch them and think, how can I make these videos? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create those viral AI animal cooking videos that are blowing up on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. These videos are super popular, super fun to make, and guess what? Many creators are making real money from them using just a few AI tools. No experience needed. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own tiny chef cooking animations, right from your phone or laptop. And trust me, it's way easier than it looks. By the end of this video, you'll be able to bring tiny chefs to life cooking up giant meals, and they'll look so realistic, you'll be amazed. Like others, you too can earn income from social media by making such videos. Don't miss any part of the video. Watch the entire video, and you will learn how to create such videos as soon as you finish this video. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what tutorial you want next. Alright, let's dive into the step-by-step guide. To create these miniature cooking visuals, we need a powerful AI image generator. There are several tools out there, like Leonardo AI, but for this tutorial, we'll be using a lesser known but amazing tool called PicLumen. Open Google Chrome and search for PicLumen AI image generator. Sign up using your Gmail account, then log in. Once you're in, click on Create to start generating an image. Choose your aspect ratio. For Instagram or YouTube, I recommend 16:9 landscape. In the description box, paste the AI prompt we created earlier. You can generate this using ChatGPT. Now we will paste a front here for image generation. For example, tiny fantasy chefs in a magical kitchen preparing a gigantic pepperoni pizza. Some are sliding cheese with shovels, others are climbing the crust with ropes, while fairies sprinkle herbs. The scene is glowing with enchanted lighting, warm tones, and sparkles in the air. Highly detailed, imaginative fantasy setting. I'll put all the links for this video in the description. So don't worry, then click Generate and watch the magic happen. Look at that! It's incredible! Tiny chefs in action, all created with AI, and guess what? You're not limited to one image. Try another prompts like adorable cartoon-style tiny chefs decorating a huge strawberry layered cake. Some are climbing up whipped cream ladders, others riding berries like balloons. The background is a pastel kitchen with oversized utensils. Cute, colorful, and playful art style. Get creative. The possibilities are endless. Look at that! It's incredible. Tiny chefs in action, all created with AI. Create as many images as you want in this way. Now it's time to bring your AI image to life with animation. Open Google Chrome and search for Kiling AI. Sign up and log in with your Gmail. Click on AI videos. Now, upload the AI image you generated in PicLumen. Paste the same prompt you used before. Click Generate. Look at that! The tiny chefs are moving, stirring, decorating, and prepping food just like in a real animated scene. You can tweak the motion settings for different effects or regenerate until it looks just right. Let's animate another image using the same prompt. Look at that! The tiny chefs are moving, stirring, decorating, and prepping food just like in a real animated scene. Once you're happy with your animation, click download to save the video, and you're done.
If you've watched the video this far, here's a bonus trick for you.
Woo!
Now I will show you how to remove the watermark from this video for free. Go to Google and search for Video Watermark Remover. Go to this website. Now upload the video whose watermark you want to remove here. Wait for some time, the watermark will be removed from your video. See how beautifully the watermark was removed from the video. Now download the video by clicking on the 3 dots next to it. Yes, now you are ready to rock the internet.
And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created something that looks like a professional animation using nothing but AI tools and your imagination. Now it's your turn. Try it out and drop your creations in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.